right, welcome back for example 3, finding in volume of prisms and cylinder applications. A says a drum company advertises a snare drum that is 4 inches high and 12 inches in diameter. Estimate the volume of the drum. All right, so I'm going to first go ahead and just draw a picture of a snare drum, kind of. Just bear with my little drawing. Okay, it says the snare drum is 4 inches high. So I'm going to put 4 inches right there, and 12 inches in diameter, so that goes through the center. 12 inches. Estimate the volume of the drum. Okay, so we know the volume of the drum is base times height, right? And the area of the base would be finding the area of the circle, pi r squared. Pi r squared, the area of the base, and then we multiply that by the height. So if the diameter is 12, we know that the radius would be 4, right? So we have pi, the radius equals 4, the height equals 4. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so we put 4 in here. No, the radius, half. Half of 12 would be 6. What are you thinking, Joy? My bad, my bad. So the radius is 6, half of 12 is 6. Okay, all right. So 6 squared, and the height would be 4. Okay. 6 squared would be 36, right? So pi times 36 times 4. So 36 times 4, I'm just going to figure out what that is real quick. 6 times 4 is 24, right? The 4 carry the 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So 144. And then we're going to estimate by pi, and pi is 3.14, but I'm just going to estimate and multiply it by 3. So I'm going to go 144 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12, right? The 2 carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So the volume estimate would be 432 inches cubed. All right. Now it is your turn to do B. So where's my friend? Here's my friend, the pause dragon, reminding you to pause your device. Go ahead and work out B. When you get done, press play, and we'll go over it together. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, let's see how you did. So a drum company advertises a bass drum. So we got another, circle bass drum here. 18 inches high and 30 inches in diameter. Okay, so we know that the volume is base times height. The base would be the area of a circle. That's pi r squared times the height. We know the radius would be half of 30, which is 15, and the height is 18. So we are going to go pi r squared, which would be 15 squared times 18. So we know that 15 squared, right, it's a squared number. We've memorized these, so 15 squared is 15 times 15, which is 225. So we have 225 times 18. So we can just go figure out what 225 times 18 is over here. That's 40. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 would be 20. 8 times 2 is 16, 17, 18. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Okay. So that is 4,050 times, pi, which would be, we're going to estimate that to be 3. So So 4,050 times 3 would be 0. The 3 times 5 is 15. Right, carry the 1. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 would be 1. And 3 times 4 is 12. So we have an estimate volume of 12,150 inches cubed. So if you got that one right, great job. And I will see you in a little bit for the next example.